Welcome to G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 3-08, the boiler door hinge bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 3-08, the boiler door hinge bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. First off, let's open up the template MMGS. Okay, so let's go to the right side, sketch. Let's create a square first. That's going to be 16.5. Yep, 16.5. From there to there, 16.5. That's going to be 20. It's going to thickness of 3. So let me put 2 holes in there. I don't know if we're doing the level or not, but we're doing this one. Let's see, hole there, hole there. Could be a bit bigger, that's fine. That's going to be 5 mil. 5. 5. Let's see, it's going to be 4.5. 4.5, that should be 11 there. Yep, it is beautiful. It's going to be 5 from there. Nope, sorry, 11.5 from there. 11.5 there. That one will be vertical, and that's good. It's going to be a curve there and there, but I'll do that in the fillet one. Okay, so it's going to be feature. That's going to be 3 mil. Be plain and done. Let me go to brass. It's good. We want fillet, that's going to be 5. 1 there, and 1 there, and that's done. Yep, that looks good. That looks very good. We normalize that. Let's make sure that's square. That's fine. Well, actually, I'm going to go normalize that one and sketch, because it comes out square but then comes out a circle with a hole and it goes right to the bottom, so it'd be easier this way. So let me do a square. Let's see, that point and that point will be joined. Measurements will be let's see, 6.5 plus 3.5, so 6, 7, 10. That's going to be 10. It's going to be, hell, what's that? 7. There it is. Hiding way there. 7. Yep, that's right. This looks awfully big, but that's fine. It's going to have a hole in it. It's going to be center. And it's going to be what's a raise on that? 4, there we go. That's it. 4. Now, oh. That one and that one will be Horizontal. Perfect. Now, that's 3.5, so that's going to be 3.5. There we go. That's good. That's going to go through down to the bottom of that one, which may have to swap it. Yep. Yeah, this one, swap it round. Up to surface, which is going to click on that one. There we go. Beautiful. That's done. No line there, so you know it's smooth. Now we want, what's that, 3.5. So go fill it 3.5. That one. And that one. And it should be perfect. There you go. The line there, but that's where they join, but it's not flat, so it's only one line. So it works out good. That's done. Don't think there's any. No, that's square there. Okay, square there. Got 2 holes, 3 holes. That looks like good. That looks like it. Let me just go to Zimrin. That's part 3-08 boiler door hinge bracket done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click a like button if you did. If you want to see more, subscribe and leave comments. Always happy to hear from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.